Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Self-Working Saturday. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a really nice self-working effect that's sort of like a prediction meets a coincidence effect. Now this is one I created myself. I was inspired by a couple of things, the first one being Gemini twins from the Self-Working Card Tricks book, which is probably the greatest self-working effect of all time. The second one is Annihilation by John Bannon. You can actually download that for free on bigblindmedia.com. I'll leave you a link down below. John Bannon, in my opinion, is pretty much the king of self-working effects, in this day at least. Again, I'll leave some links down below to some of his material. Alright, so to prepare for this trick, what you want to do is take out 4 of a kind. In this case, I'm using the aces, but you can use anything you want. And next what you want to do is take one color aces and put the other color face down below them, and put these as a unit inside of your card box, and you're ready to go. Alright, so to start the trick, you hand the deck to the spectator and get them to shuffle as much as they want to. And once they're done, they put it back on the table and you go into your monologue. You say, look, even though you shuffled, I know exactly where 2 cards are. And you pick up the card box and you give them a shake. There and here, look, I have the 2 aces in the box. Now what you do here is you just slap them on the top of the deck. Now you pick the deck up and you thumb over these 2 aces, and because of that box load, everything looks normal besides the fact that you have 2 aces loaded on top of the deck despite their shuffle, which is really nice. Now what you do is you start thumbing over cards face down on the table like this and ask them to say stop anytime they want. So let's say they stop here. At this point what you do is take one of the aces and put it face up on top of the pile, put the other ace on top of the deck, and then put the rest on top like that. Now you pick up everything and just repeat that process. So take the ace and say stop anywhere. Let's say they say stop here. Put the ace face up on top and the rest of the deck on top. Now you spread the deck and say, look, there's a few cards in between the aces. Had you said stop anywhere else, they would be completely different cards. And I say, look, we're going to make 2 piles of cards each. I'll take these and I'll take these. You take all the cards between the aces. So you just scoop these up, and now at this point the 2 aces are going to be at the bottom of this packet. So you ask them to make 2 piles in front of yours by dealing into 2 piles like this. And once they do that, those 2 aces are going to be on top of each pile. And then you say, look, you shuffled the cards, you said stop anywhere twice. Wouldn't it be a miracle if these 2 cards happen to match your 2 cards? So you turn them both over, and when you know it, they do. Alright guys, so I hope you like this effect, and there's so many things you can do with this box holdout, so just use your imagination and get creative with it. And until I see you again, happy practicing. I love you guys.